Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hopes all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am here with another beautiful video. In this video, I'm introducing with such a great and stunning centerpieces ideas about Christmas. All the ideas are very unique and colorful. All the ideas are decorated with special things and beautiful things, which is very helpful for your home decor. As we know, the Christmas is coming soon, and everyone is waiting for this beautiful festival. Christians are very excited to celebrate their beautiful occasion. On this occasion, all the Christian community are very happy and enjoy this festival with joy and happiness. So, my dear viewers, which is beautiful festival, they joys and happiness. So, my dear viewers, keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing and beautiful updates. So, my dear viewers, keep watching my videos till and tell me in the comment section which video do you like most. I will definitely make more beautiful and unique videos for all my dear viewers. So, my dear viewers, have a wonderful day.